I'm today in front of me Realme C25s, and I'll show you how to change home screen transitions on this device. So you should first hold for a while your screen, and here then click to the transitions section. And now, as you can see, we got the default one. Just switch your one from your transitions. For example, I'll go with the roll one and just click here to home button, and you can see here that we just successfully changed our lock screen animation. And if you want to just go back, you can shoot here, go again to the transition, and you can switch your home screen transition to the default one. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.